If you have one of these right here, you're gonna want one of these right here. Now, the coolest thing with what this is it's a suction cup to the window. So what that means is that you can now take your Starlink and suction it to the roof of the mount of the skylight or the moonlight or whatever you have, moonroof, sunroof, or whatever of your car, and go anywhere and get internet. Isn't that cool? Or you can suction it to anything, the outside of your RV. You can suction it to anything, inside, outside. All right, this was really, really easy to install. You just got to make sure that your Starlink, the part that points to the satellite, and the suction cups are the same way. It just comes with a little thumb screw right here, which is the best part is you don't have to take off anything off of your Starlink. You just put the thumb screws in and you can take it up, and then the setup is really simple. You can take it with you when you go out in the boonies, and you can put it back really, really easy, really, really simple to take this on and off. So that's always a plus, right? I mean, it literally is probably like 10 seconds just to get it on and off. I just installed this right here so I can have internet anywhere I go across the country and while I'm driving. Now, the cool thing is these things are rated, these suction cups right here, they're rated up to 50 pounds. I mean, I just put them on. They're not going anywhere. I'm pulling pretty hard. It's not going anywhere, right? And so I can go over bumps, I can go on four-wheel drive roads. It's not going anywhere. It's the simple things in life that you got to be happy about, the things that are just easy and work, right? I can have this and I can go anywhere. I can drive with internet. I have internet on the go. So if you are a digital nomad, a full-time RVer, or just like having a signal where nobody else does, this is just a little tiny kit that packs a lot of punch.